Happy holidays, everybody. It's the Cool Writer. And in this video, I wanted to share the Fender Eliminator that I did on the Venom X22 GT. I did agree with you guys. It kind of didn't look that cool. And I personally didn't like how long it was. It literally was like halfway down the back of the tire. And I don't know. I don't want to make them that way. I don't know, but whatever. Anyway, I finally did it. I can't wait to show you guys how I did it. Before I get started, I wanted to share with you guys that before I do, I had to take my battery out and go get it charged at O'Reilly's. I didn't know, again, it's my first time, doing this whole motorcycle stuff. I guess my bike was sitting there for like a couple days in the cold, and one day I went to go try to ride it, and my bike had a really hard time starting. Like, I'm talking like, maybe it took like 30 seconds to turn on. And even when it turned on, it was like a really low, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it felt like it was having a hard time, like, staying alive, So I decided to do some research, type in some diagnosis I was doing, and they said, maybe your battery's dead, maybe it needs to be charged. So I took my battery out, took it to O'Reilly's, and yeah, I was right. They were like, yeah, your battery's completely dead. We just charged it fully. So I'm gonna go put this battery back in the motorcycle, and then I'm going to show you guys the awesome, coolest tail light / fender on the Venom X22. So look forward to showing you guys. Okay, really quick. Where'd that freaking tool go? Hold on one second, guys. Oh, here it is. During my research, this bad boy right here, you're gonna need it. I'm telling you right now, I'm very glad I did. Some people are like, oh, use scissors or whatever might work if you like be careful. I'm not trying to be careful, I'm trying to be professional. So I got this tool. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with it. And I'm telling you right now, I feel like this is the reason why the DIY for the Fender worked for me perfectly. I was just able to trim the wires long enough to where I could just twist the whole thing together. I'm gonna take my trunk off for you guys to show you. Again, my trunk's broken, so it's not gonna be a lot. I just gotta retape it. So I'm gonna show you guys that part too, as far as like how easy it was for me to just rewire it. And I put electrical tape around it too, and it is color coordinated, so it's very easy to remember. So I'll show you guys that part too. All right, you guys, so I got the trunk off, and I wanted to show you just like the wiring method that I was able to use. So for example, the orange and green you see right here, right there, that is for the left turn signal. So, and you guys will know this once you like start taking the fender apart, that it kind of just goes in that direction. So like, okay, obviously this is the left one. So the orange and green were on the left one, and the yellow and black was from the new one. Keep in mind that the black wire always goes with the green wire. I learned that the hard way because I think I switched these two and it didn't work. So I switched them back and it worked. So I was like, okay, cool. And same with the other one. I think green and light blue is for the right. And again, the black one with the green one when you put the wirings together. If you're wondering what these blue little wire connectors are, at first I started using these, but eventually I ran out. I didn't have the right size for the thickness of the wire I had. So that's why I started using electrical tape. But hey, both method work. So anyway, let me show you guys how I got it on. 1 second. Again, oh yeah, I put my battery back in, so my time is wrong and everything. So I'll change that later. Anyway, let's see. Here's the left one, looking tight. And then here's the right one. Nice, looking cool. So definitely happy I got those in. It looks a lot better. Don't have that long looking fender that went literally it went to like right here. I swear, like to right there. It's so crazy. As a matter of fact, let me make sure my bike turns on since I got the battery back in. So 1 second, put this ghetto ass trunk back together. I'm gonna fix this, guys, I promise. I swear, I'm thinking about fixing it now because it's starting to bother me. It used to not bother me, but yeah. Make sure my baby. Hold on. Actually, let me sit on it so I'm not like losing the balance on it. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so yeah, it was just a battery issue that happened with my bike. So it still runs, still looking great as ever. Yup. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you guys decide to change your fender as well. Also, another advice about that battery issue: if your bike is having a hard time starting and your lights are flickering or something during this cold weather, that's probably the reason. It's your battery. One of the reasons. Could be other things, but that could be another thing that can help you out. Anyway, like and subscribe to the video. I'll hit you guys up later on a writing video I'm gonna come up with later. And you guys have a good